Hi there. Today I'm going to try and make a radiator guard for my 2014 V-Strom 650. You can see the radiator is quite exposed in there. And what I'm going to do, I've got this mesh here that I got from local DIY shop, and I've got some rubber edging that goes on it just to tidy it up at the end. Now hopefully what we'll do is along the top of the radiator there's a lip. You can see that, and I'll shape the mesh so it hooks over there, covers the radiator, and the rubber edging, I don't know if you can see now, rests on the ends of the radiators and the end caps of the radiator. And then this thing, which I think is just a mount for the radiator, I'll get a longer screw to go through there. Then on the guard I'll extend that down so it loops around that screw, get the longer screw through, and then we'll have a nylock going back on that way to secure it. That should do it. Let's see how we get on. Well, so much for my video editing skills. I just rattled on and made the guard. I've tie wrapped the edging on, seems to hold it on okay, a couple of tie wraps per length. This bit I was going to put a longer screw through and an nylock on the back, but I've just tie wrapped it on. It's secure, it's not moving anywhere. It seems to do the trick and looks okay. There we go.